Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by enabling the system feature that creates floating windows. Go straight to Settings, open Smart Sidebar or Control Center, and toggle Smart Sidebar on. Next, enable floating window or app bubble permissions for the apps you plan to float. This lets them detach. Once done, accept any accessibility and display permission prompts so the system can overlay content. Make sure battery optimization is off for those apps, because aggressive power saving can kill floating windows unexpectedly. Now create the actual floating window. Open the app, then swipe in from the Smart Sidebar or long press its recent app thumbnail. Tap the app icon in the sidebar and select Open in Floating Window, or drag the icon to the floating area to spawn it. Once visible, resize by grabbing and dragging the window edges, and reposition by dragging the title bar or floating icon. This preserves multitasking flow. You can continue using other apps while the floated app stays on top. To finish, close the floating window with the X or drag the icon to the Remove area. Tap the full screen control to return the app to normal. If the float fails to appear, recheck floating window and accessibility permissions, then restart the phone to clear temporary blocks. Make sure battery optimization is disabled for that app, because power saving often prevents overlays. If problems persist, update FunTouch OS or the app itself. Updates frequently restore floating window compatibility and fix known bugs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.